Food. This food.
Do you have meat? Like cow or chicken only? No meat?
No. No meat, no chicken.
Ano ko kakainin sili yan? Pati mga gulay. How much is this? What's this? Kamote. Pwede na yan. Sir, can I buy this? This with this? Philippine money?
No.
Sir, can I just have this? I will just have, please. One only, one.
Okay. Go.
Thank you so much.
At sino ba naman kasi mag-aakala na